The average side hustle makes $885 a month. Sounds amazing, until you find out the median is around $200. That gap is the whole scam. A handful of people crushing it pull the average way up, while most people are grinding for coffee money. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you which side hustles actually pay in 2026, ranked by two things nobody talks about together: how fast the money hits your account and how big it can actually get. Some of these you can literally start this weekend. Before any specific hustle, understand this, because it saves you months of frustration. Every side hustle falls into one of two buckets. Local hustles, delivery, reselling, pet sitting, pay you fast but cap out low. You could have cash by Sunday, but you're trading hours for dollars, so it stops growing the second you stop working. Online, skill-based hustles, freelancing, tutoring, design, pay slower to start but scale way higher. It might take weeks to land your first client, but that same skill can go from $20 an hour to $80 an hour without you working more. Fast money or big money? Early on, you usually can't have both. The move is to pick based on what you need right now. And I'll tell you exactly how at the end. These start paying almost immediately. Low skill, low setup, fast money, but you're capped by your own hours. Delivery driving, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart. Here's the honest math. After gas, car wear, and taxes, most drivers actually clear $12 to $18 an hour. In a busy city during peak hours, running multiple apps at once, some hit $20 to $25. Part-time, that's maybe $800 to $1,500 a month. Real money, available today. Just don't ignore the car costs eating into it. Reselling, flipping thrift finds, clearance stuff, or things sitting in your closet on eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Your first sale can happen this week. It rewards knowing a niche, sneakers, vintage tech, brand name clothing, more than working more hours. Pet sitting and dog walking, through Rover or just your neighborhood, people pay $20 to $40 for a 30-minute walk or a drop-in visit. Low startup, steady demand, and honestly, one of the least miserable ways to make quick cash. The theme across all three: money fast, ceiling low. Perfect if rent is due. Not the thing that changes your life. The average side hustle makes $885 a month. So why is everyone you know broke? Because the median is around $200. That's the number in the middle, the typical person. The average gets yanked way up by a small group of people crushing it, which makes the whole thing look easier than it is. So when someone posts a screenshot of $5,000 in a month, they're not lying. They're just not typical. They're the top of the curve you're seeing on purpose. The real question isn't, can someone make $5,000? It's, what does the normal person actually make? And now you know. $200. Beat the median, and you're already winning. This is where the real money lives, if you're willing to wait a few weeks for it. Freelance writing, design, or editing. If you can write, design, or edit video, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr pay. General writing runs $15 to $40 an hour. But niche it down: fintech, healthcare, tech, and it jumps to $50 to $100 an hour for the exact same hours. The catch is real. It can take weeks to land your first client. After that, it compounds. Tutoring. If you're decent at math, a language, or test prep, online tutoring pays $20 to $60 an hour, and you're not limited to your zip code. You can teach anyone, anywhere. Social media management. Small businesses will pay you to run their Instagram or TikTok, and they retain you month after month. That recurring income is the difference between a one-off gig and something that stacks. The pattern here flips the local stuff completely. Slow to start, but each dollar of effort is worth more over time. Skilled freelancers working just 10 to 15 hours a week are pulling $2,000 to $5,000 a month. That's not a screenshot fantasy. That's a real skill priced right. Don't do all of these. Pick one, based on your situation this month. If you need money now, like This week, start local. Delivery, reselling, pet sitting. Fast cash, no ramp up. If you can afford to wait a few weeks for a bigger payoff, start online. Pick the skill you're already halfway decent at and put it on a platform. It'll be slow, then it won't. And if you can swing it, the cheat code is doing both. A local hustle for cash flow right now, while you quietly build the online one that actually scales. Fast money funds your life while big money gets built. Same rule as always. If the side hustle needs you to pay for a course, front money for inventory, or recruit your friends, that's not a hustle. That's someone else's hustle, and you're the customer. Skip anything promising a fixed dollar amount with zero skill and zero time. Skip dropshipping courses that hype the automation and hide the ad spend. Skip anything where step one is buy the training. A real side hustle pays you. You shouldn't be paying to start it. Real side hustles come down to a trade-off. Fast money that stays small, or slower money that actually grows. Local gets you cash this weekend. Online skills get you scale. The average is $885. The median is $200. Beat that, and you're ahead of most people who ever try. But making the extra money is only half of it. Once you've actually got some cash coming in, the question that hits everyone is, am I behind? Next up, I'm breaking down how much you should really have saved by 25. The real numbers, not the scary ones people post to make you panic. Subscribe so you don't miss it.